Hello, lovely Year 9 students. All right, so this is the first video I'm creating for you guys. I'm going to focus on Chapter 4 first of all, then move on to Chapter 5. So first topic I'm looking at here is factorizing using common factors. One of the first concepts for you to just remember and keep in mind is that factorization and expanding brackets are opposite operations essentially to one another. So I'm just going to put these arrows here. So factorizing and expanding opposite processes. And in this first topic that we're looking at is we just want to identify the common factors within an expression and essentially take that out the front of the brackets. So let's have a look at some examples here. So in example 1 here, we've got factorize 4a plus 12. And so essentially we want to have a look at, well, what is the highest common factor of, highest common, what am I doing here? Highest common factor of both 4a and 12, well, that's just going to be 4. So then essentially 4 goes out the front of, outside of the brackets. Then 4 times what is going to give me 4a? Well, 4 times a is going to give me 4a, and 4 times 3 is going to give me 12. So just simple as that there. So again, here we've got the 12 in example 2, we've got 12x squared plus 3x. And again, highest common factor of both of those two terms there. And I'm not going to bother writing HCF again. I'm just going to go straight to what the solution is going to be. So I'm going to have something and then outside of the brackets. And then, 12 and 3, highest factor out of that is going to be 3. And then I've got an x squared and an x. And so x is going to be the other factor outside of that there. So 3x times 4 is 4x is going to give me 12x squared, and 3x times, well, just 1 is going to give me the 3x there. In the next example down here, we've got 36ab take 27a. Again, 36 and 27 at 9 goes into both of those there. So put 9 out the front. Then we've got to think, oh, wait a minute, there's also a letter that will go out the front as well. And A is going to be that letter. It's common to both. So 9a times 4b will give us 36ab. And then 9a times 3 will give us 27. And in the third example, fifth example here, exactly the same as the other three, except that we've got 3 terms in the expression there. So let's go have a look through. We've got 5, 10, 25. So that means that 5 is going to be the number. P is common to all of those, but I can't do P squared. And Q is common to all of those as well. So that's, I'm going to have 3 bits there. And so what have I multiplied this by? Well, just Q for the first one there. 2P for the next one. And the final one, 5PQ plus 5PQ. Okay. All right. Just one other thing to point out as well, you can take negatives out as factors as well. So just as an extra example, so just say I wanted to factorize minus 4x take 8. Well, 4 is common to both of those, so I can take that out. But then they're both negative, so let's take that negative out. So it's going to, minus 4 times x is going to be minus 4x, and then plus 2 minus 4 times positive 2 is minus 8 there. So you can take negatives out the front, but you just got to make sure that the sign is correct there. Alrighty, that's all for that one there. Enjoy.